Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. Our high-efficiency airless sprayers will have you spraying like a pro right out of the box, but there are some accessories you can add to make them even better. First is the extension arm. This accessory makes it easier to spray up high and down low. Before installation, power off the pump and lock the gun's trigger. Then release the pressure by turning the prime spray knob to prime and remove the spray tip and tip guard from the front of the spray gun. Now screw the extension onto the front of the spray gun and attach the tip and spray guard that came with your gun onto the end of the extension. Now you're ready to spray. Here's another handy accessory, the inner feed roller. To install it, slide the roller cover onto the roller frame. Then power off the pump and release the pressure by turning the prime spray knob to prime. Lock the gun's trigger, then remove the tip guard and tip just like you did for the extension arm. Now, screw the inner feed roller onto the spray gun. To load the roller cover with paint, just squeeze the trigger and start painting. Roll your surface to saturate the roller cover and squeeze the trigger when more paint is needed. Here's another good accessory to have, a swivel filter assembly. This accessory helps prevent the spray tip from clogging by filtering the paint as you spray. To install it, shut the pump off and release the pressure by turning the prime spray knob to prime. Lock the gun's trigger, then remove the spray gun from the hose. Next, screw the filter to the gun, and then screw the hose to the swiveling part of the filter. Tighten the nuts with an adjustable wrench. If you need extra filters, contact our technical service team. Wagner also makes a fluid pressure gauge that you can install between the pump outlet and spray hose. This helps you check and remember what pressure is best for each coating you use on different projects. First, shut off the pump and release the pressure by turning the prime spray knob to prime. Lock the gun, then remove the hose from the sprayer. Screw the gauge onto the sprayer's outlet and then screw the hose onto the gauge. Then tighten the nuts with an adjustable wrench. We hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.